This is Judy Bonilla with a follow-up tutorial to my webinar, LinkedIn Tips for ASA Members. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to be focusing on the presenters that will be having sessions at ASA. Now I know if you have been selected to give a session that you have been working on your project and really want to get the word out, which means getting people to go to your session. Well, this is how I suggest you use LinkedIn. The tools I'll be using in this tutorial are your LinkedIn profile and the ASA website. So first, I'm going to take you over to LinkedIn, and this is the way my profile looks when you, I'll say, search my name. I'm going to scroll down, and what you see here is a summary. This is the area we're going to be working on. So oftentimes when we go to a conference, we look to see topics and presenters and then check someone's LinkedIn profile. I think this is a great place to put a call to action. Again, you want to get people into your session. So this is what your profile looks like. And again, this is the area I'm going to be changing. To do so requires some editing in LinkedIn. And now I'm on the LinkedIn tab. After you sign in, this is the first tab you will see. To edit your profile, all you have to do is click on your profile photo, and that takes you to the editing, I'll say, tab. To edit your actual profile, all you have to do is select the pencil icon, and that opens up Edit Intro. Again, each of these fields can be edited. For today's tutorial, we're going to focus on the summary. So again, you can see I have my contact information, and this is what it looks like when it's ready to be edited. And I'm going to select the previous tab, and this is what it looks like when someone searches on my LinkedIn profile. So let's go back to editing. So again, what I'm going to do is delete this content by highlighting it and hitting my delete key. The text disappears. And now I'm going to go over to the ASA website. I opened up this tab earlier, and I've maneuvered my way to the events section. Now, I will not be presenting at ASA this year, but a colleague of mine is, and I've been testing his name, and it does come up. Paul Downey will be presenting, so again, you would type in your own name, click on the search button, and what's happening now is information about your profile is being retrieved. So you may be presenting multiple times. You would want to do one search and then copy and paste. So now I've received the results back. When I click on the link, it takes me to the session information. And now all I have to do is highlight and select the session name as well as the day and time. So again, I've highlighted, now I'm copying, and now I'm going back over to my LinkedIn profile, and all I'm going to do is copy that content into my LinkedIn profile. Again, very simple, highlight, copy, and then copy in to my LinkedIn profile. Now I'm going to be doing a few edits for formatting. And again, this is very similar to working in Word or any other word processing tool you might be using. Again, I'm just making a few changes. So now I've added my information on the session, and now I'm going to add a call to action. Join me at the American Society on Aging conference. And now I save this, and now it has changed my introduction, and when I go back, and what I'm going to do is refresh. So now instead of contact me, you will now see join me at the American Society on Aging conference. So again, this is a quick way to again begin promoting your session on LinkedIn. I'll be sharing a couple more tutorials for presenters. So again, join me each day as I share a little bit more information on how to use LinkedIn for ASA. Thanks for joining me. And again, this has been Judy Bonilla with ASA tips, LinkedIn tips for ASA members.